Вечерва на МТМ телевизија доаѓа новата хероина, своеглавата и ексцентричната, сестра Джеки.
He paged you 20 minutes ago. Seriously, 20 minutes?
What do you doctors have against healing people, for Christ's sake?
Yeah, you see that right there. Healing, helping, fixing. Fantastic. That's why you're a nurse.
I don't think I can do this. This job is wading through a shitstorm of people who come into this place on the very worst day of their lives. So buck up.
That's what they're looking for. They're looking for God. I'm sorry, I get excited.
Brought you something for your back.
I was thinking more along the lines of Vicodin.
I'm not an idiot.
Hey, babe.
Mom! You're kissing too hard.
No such thing.
Вечерва, 21 часот и 40 минути. Сестра Джеки.